Hello guys, today I will show you how to create simple yet awesome intro, such as this one. For this you will need a story title overlay, I make them for valedictorians if you're interested, and some background, I chose the episode original one. Save it and go to BeFunky website, I will leave a link down below. We're gonna blur the background and turn it into an overlay. Save it in PNG format. Our overlay appeared to be too heavy, more than 1 megabyte, so we're going to compress it here. I will also leave the link down below. Upload all of this, add the background and its blurred overlay version, and the story title. Reset the zoom, and also cut to the needed zone. I'm going to do everything in zone 2, so make sure to place your story title overlay to zone 2 as well. Change the opacity of the blurred overlay to 0 and add some transition. Now we're going to make the blurred overlay visible again by changing its opacity to 100% in 1 second. And we're going to work with the story title overlay. Let's first move it to the place where it will land. Somewhere here. Add the following here: and overlay, story title, shifts to, and the coordinates in 1 second in zone 2. And let's also use some easing function. Now let's move it all the way to the top. Don't forget to change the coordinates. Perfect. Now we're going to move the speech bubble somewhere here, and we will make it invisible. Right after the last speech bubble, we're going to create our buttons. So we will have start the story, previously, customize, and skip. It's not necessary to add all of these buttons, it's just what I do. So we can only use the start the story, for example. Each of these buttons will need its own label. We'll start with the first button, start the story, and we'll create for it the label named story. That's where the reader will go when he pushes this button. Then let's create label previously. So here you will be able to show what happened in your previous episodes. So after, you will have to get the reader back to the Start menu, so we will have to create a label for the Start menu itself. Before the Go To comment, we will have to insert the background and overlays of the Start menu. Don't forget about the speech bubble. And let's also add the background of its own to previously. And the exiting transition. Do the same steps for the customize. Here you can add a character customization template. Now we have only skip left. We will have to put the skip label in the very end, right after the end of your story. But be very careful with it. If the reader skips this episode, he or she would lose its gains. I usually add questions here like what you answered here and there, and grade the gains and points accordingly, including the dressing games. If you are new to all this, better not to add this option. Okay, it seems that I forgot to reset the speech bubble here. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video tutorial.